Hello, so I just thought I'd do a short video on Git and using the Git repository, so if you want to use it yourself. Now I have here the empty workspace that I have set up, and I have my project explorer over here, so you can see when you actually have a Git repository when it's beside it, and what branch it's on. So a Git tutorial is for a separate time, but I'm just going to show you on Eclipse how to use it. The user interface. So you can also use it in the command line and different, it depends on your versioning tools, but within the Eclipse IDE, this is a very straightforward way to do it. If you want your default author and committer down here to be the same, what you do is you go to Eclipse, Preferences, and I'm going to add an entry for user.name. For me, that's me. And then you also need to add a user.email. Learn computers at gmail.com. Add applying clips. So now when I want to push something to a repository or add something, it's a good idea to do it. There's multiple ways to do it, but it's one of the ways to do it is you can go to your GitHub, or there's GitLab, or there's also different versioning tools, or you can just create a new repository online like this, and I can say test repo, and then put in test repository. It's public, and then once I click on here, now these are the commands that you use if you want to use it in command line. You initialize the Git, then you add your readme file, your commit message with -m, your remote, all of those. It's pretty straightforward. I mean, it's pretty easy to use. So now if I have, let's say, we'll push the test up that I have created. So for instance, if I have if I want to share it, then I can right click and say team and then share project, and I can create a test repo here, finish, and then I copy and paste in my path within the repository and press finish. Now it hasn't done anything yet, it hasn't shared it, it hasn't committed it, so there are different stages with Git and Push. You have to first go to team and then commit and then push. Usually there's peer reviews within programming as well, so anyway, this is just how we use it in Eclipse if you want to use it this way. Now, so there's the on-stage changes, and then you add them all with these green buttons. You put in your commit message in it, test message, you press or test repo example, commit and push, and then you have your URI there, your host, your repository path. You automatically put in your authentication for the first time you use it, and then it will store it. Press next. If you want to change branches, you put in a different branch there. Merge when pulling, if you want to merge it. So if you have your local stuff that you worked on, and then you're working in a team and other people have worked on something else within the master branch, it is in this case, and that's online. When you pull it down, you want to merge the files together. So yes, I'm going to say yeah, and that's it. So that's it for using Git. Now there are multiple different ways to do it as well. Now if I click on the link, it will show it. You can use it. You can see it within the IDE as well. So you can see everything there. One branch, one commit, no packages, and when you go to the src file, which is the source file, you can see the Java contents, and it's taking some time to open. Let's go to the browser and refresh altogether. now it might be faster, yeah. So if you go to the src file, then you can see the test Java, and you can see the contents of the Java of the class called test. So that's it, and if you have any questions, you can send them to learncomputerswithali@gmail.com. I'll be happy to answer them, and I look forward to posting up a new video next. Thanks for watching.